Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will install Docker and prepare storage immediately. Start Docker, enable it to run on boot, and create a data directory with proper ownership so Docker can write. Once done, generate TLS credentials now. A certificate prevents clients from needing insecure flags. Make sure your firewall allows port 5000, and note the host name or IP you will use. Consistency matters for image pushes and pulls. Now you will run the registry container with a secure command that mounts your data and TLS files and binds port 5000. Create an htpassword file for user authentication and mount it to /auth, then point the registry config to use that auth and TLS certs. Once running, test by logging in from the Docker client. If you want persistence across reboots, set a restart policy or create a systemd unit. Finish by tagging and pushing a tiny test image to your registry. This verifies auth, TLS, and storage. Once confirmed, enable garbage collection and schedule backups for the registry data directory so you avoid storage bloat. If you run into problems, first inspect the registry container logs, then verify your certificate chain and that port 5000 is reachable. Make sure Docker clients trust your CA or use the cert on each host. That typically resolves most connection or authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.